2011 and on up. 3.6 Pentastar Chrysler engines. If you're doing a timing chain, of course there's your marks. You want them line to line, arrow to arrow, and of course on the bottom you got a dot. You'll have a little dot that'll be even with the main bearing down there. But that's not the reason I'm making this, because if you're trying to get your tensioners on and you're not changing all the other chains and you're trying to get your guides on and stuff, you're gonna have to undo the bottom chain with the tensioner here. You're gonna have to undo that and slide the intermediate shaft out some to get this tensioner on and to be able to put the chain on correctly. That's the only way you're gonna be able to do it. So if you're fighting it, don't fight it. Just undo that tensioner down here. That chain will just sit there. Take that tensioner out, undo your bolt T45 right here, your intermediate shaft, pull it out a little bit, and then everything will slide right on in 2 seconds. But anyway, that's a little trick, because you will fight it and fight it and fight it without doing that. Thanks for watching. I'm going to try to make some more videos on this car.